To insert page number from a specific page, not from the beginning of the document in Microsoft Word, please follow this method. For example, I want to start my page numbering from my third page only. To do it, click on Insert, then click Page Number, and then select the position and type of the number to be inserted. Okay, now the page number has been inserted from the very first page itself. So now go to the page from where you want to insert your first page number. Double click on that number, and then now from these options above, please deactivate this option, link to previous. Deactivate this option, and then right click on this number. From these options, click on Format Page Numbers, and then from here select Set As and type here 1. Then click OK. Okay, now the numbering has been started from 1 from this third page. Now go to the very previous page. Double click on its page number and just hit delete button in your keyboard. Okay, now the numbering has started from the third page only. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching this video by iTech Tips.